You see, with the Hamster Kombat Airdrop, this is how you can position yourself for this airdrop in order for you to be eligible. Now, there are a lot of videos online showing you what you need to do on this in particular airdrop in order for you to be eligible. But there are some things that you don't know that are very important on Hamster Kombat. Okay, so all of these things, it's what actually make them look into you and know if truly you are active on this game and how much work you are doing on this in particular game, how active you are. Now I'm going to be sharing with you every single thing you need to know right now and how you can make improvement before the listing date, so you can be among one of the people that can actually get this airdrop for yourself, because lot of people will be disqualified inside of this Hamster Kombat. Okay, so the number one thing is your level. Now there are a lot of things that you have to work on, okay, which I'm also going to be sharing with you. Now there are something we call achievement. There are a lot of achievements right here that even you don't know about, and all you just do right here is that you come on right here, you accumulate some balance, you go to next level, you collect key, but all of those things also count. But there are a lot of achievements right here that you need to know about. So first of all, I need to come right here under this one that say buy skin. If you click on under this one that say buy skin and you click on see all, now one thing I want to show you first right here is that on Hamster Kombat there is something, sometimes they actually give you some videos for you to watch. These videos are tasks, and this task you have to complete it. So what you need to do is for you to watch their YouTube video. Now all of those things are also counting. Now you can see right here that under this YouTube video they actually say watch Hamster YouTube video, and one of the achievements I get right here is that I already watched over 25 Hamster videos, 25 Hamster YouTube video. They say you are among top 7.5% of users that have this achievement. That means people that actually have these achievements, they are not that much. Okay, so you have to take this serious. All of these things are what you guys don't know about. Okay, number two is how long you have subscribed to their channel. Okay, so that doesn't really matter. Okay, this is not actually one of the things that you have to take serious like that. Number three is your profit per hour. Now this your profit per hour is very important. Hamster Kombat is counting every single thing. They are looking everything you are doing on their platform. Why one of the things that most of us think it is not that important, but it is very important, is the skin. Okay, it is skin you unlock. Right, so for me before, I also think skin is just normal thing. You can just leave the skin that you are using there before, and of course you can keep on using whatever skin you have, and the one that is chosen for you already, you can just keep on using it. But later I discovered that skin is part of the achievement. Skin is like 20% of achievement on Hamster Kombat. Okay, as for me, I have unlocked over 5 skin, and I'm still looking forward to unlock about 10 skin before this airdrop get listed. Now most of the things you don't know is what I'm actually showing you right here. Skin is very important. Okay, so do not take anything on Hamster Kombat for granted, because you actually just see that okay, this might not be important. You are only working on your key, you are only working on your profit per hour, you are only working on whatever you think is actually important. But skin that you are seeing right here is part of the thing that you have to take very, very serious. And I already mentioned your level. Now I am seeing a lot of video concerning this in particular card says cheating is bad. Let me just go straight to the point. If I should click on this one that says subscribe to Hamster TG for 100 days, if I should click on it, you will see that the cycle right here is actually shining. Okay, it is shining. And if you come to this cheating is bad, nothing is showing there. I mean absolutely nothing. That means your Hamster Kombat account is still safe. Okay, so if nothing is wrong, you don't have to panic, just leave it like that. But if it is shining, that means there is fire on the mountain. You have to off this fire as quick as possible. Okay, because you don't know what Hamster Kombat might come up with at last. Okay, one of the things that can cause this cheating is bad is actually the fake keys that most of you just get online, and then you input this fake key, you use the fake key, and this fake keys is actually affecting your account. Let's say for instance Hamster Kombat launch over 9 game. They know that you cannot play all of these 9 games every single day, and of course get 4 keys for each of these games for yourself. Okay, they know you can only get about 8 to 16 keys for yourself every day, but most of you, as of for now, you already get 500 key. Where do you cheating is truly bad, because how do you even get this 500 key? So they know you are cheating already, which it is very bad for you. Okay, so you should never do this thing. Okay, if you are about to input the key, if you're about to use that fake key, make sure you do not use it, because this can get you disqualified from this airdrop. Okay, so let me quickly go back right now. So these are most of the achievement that you need, and the third achievement right here is actually your friends. They say invite friends. Now, inviting friends might not be important, but it is important in some aspect in order for you to unlock, okay, in order for you to unlock some cards. And once you invite friends, you know, Hamster Kombat just launched a new card as of today of making this video, which you have to invite one more friends, and their listing will be on the 26th. What do they really need this one more friends for again? Okay, because this is what makes us think, wait, this thing is still important. Okay, so you still have to invite friends in order for you to, you know, unlock cards. Okay, and the next thing they say, collect coin. Now you collect 1 million coin, your first 1 million coin, you go to one level, you collect 10 million coin, you go to legendary, you collect 100 million coin, you collect 50 million coin, you go to master, 100 million coin, you go to grandmaster. Now as you are spending those coin, Hamster Kombat is still calculating that you accumulate so amount of coin. Okay, so no matter how much coin you accumulate, Hamster Kombat knows it. Okay, so they say 1.5 billion coin. This is actually one of the achievements on Hamster Kombat. I have achieved 1.5 billion coin, and so they say you are among top 5.45% of users that have this achievement. Okay, I am among top 5.45%. That means people that actually have this are not that much. Why this one right here say upgrade cards to level 25? I am not, none of my card is up to level 25, but I can say there are a lot of people that their card is up to level 25. But for me, I don't have any card that is up to level 25. Okay, and they say, and after that one, they say upgrade card to level 15. I upgrade over 50 cards to level 15 already, which you can see right here. 50 cards, the achievement is shiny right here. You can see how it is shiny, and they say you are among top 5.88% of users that have the same particular achievement. Okay, this is why you need to take it serious. They say upgrade cards, I already upgrade more than 50 cards. So this is what I am telling you guys right now. You have to take all of these achievements serious. If you are not watching their video, there are still time. I think they post over 2 videos every single day, and before the listing date you might be able to watch about 20 video for yourself, or 25 to 30 video on their YouTube channel. It is easy. You can go on and watch those videos, and of course get the coin for yourself, because once you watch this video, you have to come back after 1 hour in order to claim your coin. And once you claim your coin, that is when it will really activate that, okay, you have watched this video on their YouTube channel. So all of these achievements, you have to take it serious. If you don't take it serious, I'm sorry, you might not get anything from Hamster Kombat, or you might get something very little. So as for me, I don't really know what Hamster Kombat is all about. I don't know how much they are about to give us. Okay, so they say new skin. Now in case you don't know what skin is, now skin is very important. For me, I have over 5 skin unlock. I have this one unlock Komata, I have Omi unlock, and I have Fighty unlock. I can choose all of those keys if I want to. I have Rockstar unlock, and this one right here called Fiery, you have to get it from your daily reward. This one right here called Xenomorph, you have to get it from your daily reward also. And this one called Frankie, I can go and purchase this same particular skin. I can come right here and purchase Funky, I can come and purchase Groovy, I can come and purchase Funny, I can come and purchase Hamster Vestor. There are a lot of skins that you can purchase right here, and all of this add to your achievement. Okay, everything you do right here add to your achievement. So if you find it helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and then tell me whatever you think about this. Okay, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do hit on the subscribe button, and of course turn the notification bell icon, so whenever I create new video you get notified. And of course don't forget to keep on getting more keys for yourself every single day. By logging in, there's still hope that you can get over 100 to 200 key for yourself. Okay, so do not use cheat key. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the very next video. Peace.